In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put multiple photos in one frame using Canva. If you've ever wanted to make a clean, beautiful collage or show off a few images side by side, this is going to make your life a lot easier. And don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open up Canva. If you haven't already, sign into your account or quickly create one if you're new here. Once you're in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. From there, click on Create a New Design. You can choose any size you like, maybe an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a custom dimension. The size doesn't matter too much, because what we're really focusing on today is how to neatly arrange multiple photos within a single frame. Now, look over to the left panel and click on Elements. This is where the magic happens. Inside Elements, you'll find tons of creative assets, shapes, graphics, stickers, but what we're looking for today is frames. Go up to the search bar and type in Frames. You'll see a collection of different frame layouts, including photo grids that can hold several images at once. Browse through until you find one that fits your style. Maybe a simple grid, a circle layout, or something a bit artistic. Once you've found a frame you like, just drag and drop it onto your blank canvas. You can resize it, move it around, or even combine multiple grids if you want more flexibility. Next, it's time to bring in your photos. Head back to the left panel and click on Uploads. Here, you can upload your own photos directly from your device, or choose from ones you've already uploaded before. Once your images appear in the upload area, all you need to do is drag each photo into a frame cell. Canva automatically snaps each photo perfectly into place. It's super satisfying to watch. If a photo doesn't fit exactly how you want it, just double-click on it. You can then adjust its position or zoom until it looks right. This lets you fine-tune your layout and make sure every image looks balanced. And there you have it, a clean, stylish arrangement of multiple photos all in one frame. From here, you can get creative. Add text, borders, filters, or even a background to make your design pop. Canva makes it so easy to turn a few simple images into something that looks polished and professional, even if you're a total beginner. So that's it. That's how you put multiple photos into one frame in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you're designing next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.